Hey guys, welcome back. This is Champagne Hondo. We're here at Raps 300. Today we're going to talk about directional film, how to keep it directional, why to keep it directional. We're going to go over through some examples, through some posts on Instagram that you guys can actually look up yourself. And I'm going to show you guys how to keep it directional, why you don't want to flip the panels, because then you get clowned at. You don't want that. So come on guys, let's go. This is the casting couch. Just kidding. No, seriously. Right now we're gonna go over some directional problems from people, specifically on Rap Police, because that's those guys put everybody on blast. And so I'm gonna go through it. You guys will probably have a split screen. You can see what I'm looking at, and you can see me talk about it. And we're gonna go through some comments so we can find some. And if they have any questions on here, we'll answer them for you. Right now I'm looking at a Porsche that looks to be in like a pink chrome. So right here what they did was they flipped the front door. You can see that it's a little darker pink than the rest of the car. The rear bumper, the rear and front bumper, I mean, it's not that much of a big deal, but you should be able to put it, at least facing like the same. How can I put it? Like when you cut it, you should be able to run the whole film, like if you're wrapping the whole thing around in a circle. So I mean, it's typically that doesn't happen, but it's not a big deal. But as you can see, the door on this Porsche it's pretty noticeable, and that's what you don't want. Now the next picture is the Mercedes-Benz. Right here, what it looks like they flipped the front fender. You can see the quarter panel, the door is dark purple, and then right at the fender, on the crease, there's a light blue to purple, and that's what you don't want to see. So either they shifted it 90 degrees and put it on to save material. That's probably a big cause why a lot of cars, you'll see these panels mismatching, is companies will try to, wrap shops will try to save material by flipping it, or something. But I mean, right here you can definitely tell that it's not flowing. Now we're gonna go through some comments. Oh my god. It saved them a foot of material when they flipped the panel. That's what I'm talking about. They try to save material, they flip the panel, but then look what happens. Crying faces, and it's not good. Treat all film as directional, never have any issues. That's a big thing I like to tell my co-workers and my partners. That way it just becomes a habit of just doing it directional, so you have no problems ever, flipping the panel and having this kind of issues. Okay, check this one out. Where's she at? There was a comment about saying that usually a solid colored like a solid gloss is never directional. I've always actually just done it directional, just in case. Just like this truck we have in the back behind us. Take a look. All of this is one direction. We don't flip it, we don't do anything. We still gotta go to the back. It's all directional. Okay, check it out. Okay, there's this, I think it's a RAV4 probably. The door is different color. I think that's the one I'm talking about. There's a comment here that said, I get the color shift one, but the gray Toyota solid color should not be directional. I think that one ran out and used a different dye lot. The chrome is a bit interesting too. Thought those weren't directional either. So that could be true. That could be that they ran out of film, bought another roll. Could have been a different lot than the one that was previous to, which is it'll have a different, like just a slight variance in the color of it. But just to be safe, whether it's gloss, chrome, satin matte, color shift, just always make sure to keep it directional. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now in a little bit. Alright guys, this is our sponsor, Tinybot Vinyl. They helped us out a lot. Thank you guys. We're going to go over some films of theirs that you want to keep directional for sure. There's some that I still haven't worked with, but again, you want to keep every film directional. You don't want to flip one because you don't know. Once the car goes out, you got to redo it again. So There's this laser rainbow one. This one I would say is directional, just because of the way it flows. You know, you don't want to flip it and then have those colors, you know, contrast and come into each other. These are all iridescent laser flips. You know, there's a blue, pink, purple, orange, Tiffany. You know, all of these I would keep directional. Here's another one, Matte Galaxy gray blue. You know, it has a pearlescent to it. You know, we did have an incident where we were testing out to see what films we're doing. We did a gray one that kind of had this finish to it. It was directional, so we ended up switching it back. You know, a lot of these are gloss metallic. Like this, I mean, I don't really think it's directional, but again, you don't want to waste material and trying to figure it out. Just do it directionally. You know, there's these Galaxy Dust Blue to White. These I would consider directional just because it's the whole transition from the fender to the quarter panel. You don't want to flip one and, you know, have it, you know, contrast or go against the flow of the color. You know, there's this Sparkle Black. This one I would say you're okay, but again, just for reassurance, just keep it directional. It'll give you the peace of mind to know that you know you're not gonna have any problems with it. All right, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and show you guys an example. All right, guys, so I have these. Well, our friend Mike here, he bought a board at Home Depot, wrapped it, and we had them go to the construction site to a credit for us.
We showed the behind the scenes right here.
So we got right here we got our exhibit A. I'm just kidding. Our demonstration, it's electroplated silver. Mind the bubbles. I didn't wrap it. But this is what I'm gonna try to show you guys how shifting panels or you know, not using directional techniques will lead to your colors clashing, and eventually you'll end up on wrap police. It's kind of hard to tell because it's not in a big panel on a car, but we're gonna try to explain to you what happens and what breaks up the color shift. Okay, so we see right here how this is kind of like pinkish to green, pink to green, pink to green. See, all that should be green across to pink, which goes to those. So this first panel, this third panel, and fourth panel are all, you know, going symmetrical. They're all the same direction. We flipped these two panels that were in the middle. We flipped them like this. We flipped them like that. So now you can tell that right here's pink to blue, and right here's another breakage. So that's what you don't want. You don't want a break, because you can pretty much kind of tell that, you know, if these two were doors, they would break up the color, and that's what you don't want. And that's eventually what you're gonna see on a car, is you're gonna see the color not going sequentially through the whole car. And that's where you'll have directional problems and your car's gonna look a little funky. But if we flip them back right now, I'll be able to show you how it's supposed to look. We switch it back. Oh, see, as you can see, there's a consistent flow of color. You know, you'll see like a little green to blue to purple. Don't mind that purple is because it's cut and it's uneven. The rocks are at the bottom. But I mean, it's a consistent change of color. Helpful tips is to write. Some films have arrows. Some films have like names. Mostly they'll have arrows, so you're able to tell. There's some vinyls that don't have anything, so you'll probably want to put an arrow in there, and that way you know what direction it's going, and keep your colors consistent, just like this piece of wood right here. Keep in mind that, you know, some films are directional, some films aren't directional, but just make a good habit of keeping everything directional. That way you don't have run into problems eventually in the future. And if you guys have any questions, any comments, you know, subscribe, you know, hit the comment box, And again, thank you for Tinybot for letting us have this piece of vinyl so we can show you guys what directional films are and how to work them and how to use them, what not to do, and what to do. Thank you.